The Adventure King's 70-litre dual-zone fridge freezer fits a huge 105 cans. It's high quality and has all the features you need. It uses only the best components. Inside, there's a legendary Seacock compressor, so you know this fridge will chill fast. Combine that with the thick insulation and seals, it's super efficient and can chill down to a massive -18 degrees. Plus, you can set both sides as a fridge, both as a freezer, or one of each. This compact fridge can fit and cool a massive 105 cans. That's over 4 slabs. Or use the included baskets to neatly stack your food and drinks. The case is made of tough steel and features rubber feet to protect the fridge and reduce noise and vibrations. It uses stainless steel compression latches to ensure an exceptional seal at all times. Plus, there are stainless steel hinges for strength and durability. With automatic internal lights, easy to use control panel, and tough stainless steel handles, this fridge has it all. This dual zone 70-litre fridge freezer is one of the best value fridges on the market. And because we don't pay middlemen's commissions, fancy packaging fees, or big marketing firms, plus we pass our bulk buy savings on to you, we can offer you a high quality fridge at a fraction of the price you'd pay elsewhere.